Have you ever heard of pumpkin pie bars with yellow cake mix? It's a really nice fall treat. And let me show you how to make it. What you do is you take pumpkin puree, it's just 1 can, 15 ounces, and you mix that with 1 cup of granulated sugar, 3 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, 3 large eggs, and then 1 can, it's 12 ounces of the evaporated milk. So you just take a whisk, mix that all together. It just really couldn't be easier. It just takes a few seconds to get this together. And then I pour mine into a 9x13 pan. I have sprayed it with oil so that things don't stick. It's just nicer for getting your pieces out after. And once you get your pumpkin custard poured into your pan, then you're going to take it's 1 box, just the cake mix powder itself. You take that, and as you can see, it's still in the package. I just cut a corner off. I'm sprinkling that all over the top, making sure it gets in the edges, all over the place. And then once you get that on, then you're going to take 3/4 of a cup of butter. You're going to melt it, and then you're going to drizzle that on. And of course, as you can see, I kind of poured it a little bit more. I probably should have drizzled it more, but you know what? It turned out really good. But you bake it in a 350-degree oven for 1 hour. And here's the results. You can serve it plain. You can make it fancy. You can put whipped topping on top, drizzle it with caramel. It's really delicious. Visit wholesomefarmhouserecipes.com.